Alright, this is the power set example that was on quiz 4. And it looks a little intimidating, but we're going to break it into some manageable pieces here. So we're going to start with the innermost thing, that is just the power set of empty set. Now let's just pause for a moment here to write down that the definition of a power set of some set X is the set of all subsets of X. So all the possible subsets of X collected together in a set, that's what a power set is. And so it is itself a set. So that's why we're starting here when we say the power set of empty set. We're going to very first thing draw some curly braces that are going to contain the set that we're constructing here. So what are some possible subsets of empty set? Well, every set has as its biggest possible subset itself. So we'll write itself in there, empty set. Now that is both the biggest and smallest possible subset of empty set because empty set doesn't contain any elements. So we're done. So this inner part here, let's just give this a name. Let's call this the set A. So next, we're going to take the power set of this set A, and we'll just go ahead and give that a name now too. We'll call that B. So the last part of this problem is going to be taking the power set of B, and that's our final answer. Okay, so first we gotta find B though. So let's do the power set of A. And again, that's going to be a set, so let's draw some empty curly braces to contain what we're going to be listing off here. So the set A has one element in it, and that is empty set. So we're going to start with just A itself, because a set is always its own biggest subset. And then that concludes our size 1 subsets of A. So let's move on to the size 0 subsets, and there's always just empty set as our size 0 subsets of any set. And that's it. Okay, so that's B. So now, to get our final answer, we just need to find the power set of B. And we'll draw some empty curly braces to contain our answer. So the entire set B is going to be the biggest possible subset of B. So there's our open curly brace for B. Then we're going to copy the first element, which is a set containing empty set. And then we're going to copy the second element, which is empty set. And then a closing curly brace. So this is a subset of size 2. Because there are 2 elements in B. Now we're going to do our subsets of size 1. So the first size 1 subset is the first element of B, which is a set containing the empty set. And then our second size 1 subset of B is going to be a set containing the second element of B, which is empty set. So those are our 2 possible size 1 subsets. Okay, so then we move on to our ever-present size 0 subset, just the empty set. Now if you're wondering why I'm listing these things off and marking them, in decreasing order of size, the size 2 subsets, the size 1 subsets, the size 0 subsets, you can look at the other video where I took the power set of just a simple set of 3 numbers, 1, 2, and 3. And that kind of explains why I organize it this way. As we know, for sets, order is not important, but it just helps me organize my thoughts to list them in decreasing order of size of the subsets. So now we wrote up here that the power set of B is our final answer. So we're done. This is our answer here. So this is the power set of the power set of the power set of empty set.